In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or simply looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of adding data into Airtable. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. Simply open up your favorite web browser and go to airtable.com. This platform is an incredibly versatile tool designed for building next generation apps, and it offers a friendly and intuitive interface that you'll appreciate as we move through the steps. Once you're on the Airtable site, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't already have one, it's quick and simple to set up, but assuming you do, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Click on that and go ahead and log in using your credentials. This takes you to your Airtable home, which is essentially your dashboard where all your bases are organized. With access to your dashboard, click on the Airtable home link. This will bring you directly to your collection of bases, which are essentially your databases. Think of this as your personal command center, where you can access every project you're working on. Next, we're going to dive into one of your bases, so find the specific base where you'd like to add data. You can simply click on the base name to open it. Once you have the base open, you'll be greeted with whatever tables or grids you've set up within that particular base. Now it's time to add some data. Look within your base and you should see a plus icon, usually located near the data table or grid view. Clicking this plus icon will prompt you to start a new row or data entry. Here's a useful tip. Make sure you have all the necessary details ready for entry before clicking, as this can speed up your data addition process. Finally, begin typing in your data. Depending on how you've customized your table, you might have text fields, checkboxes, drop-downs, or other input types. Fill in each field as required, ensuring that your data is entered correctly for future ease of use and filtering. And that's basically it. You've successfully added data to your Airtable base. Take a moment to explore other features Airtable offers that can enhance your productivity, like linking records or setting up views that suit your workflow. Airtable's flexibility is one of its greatest strengths, so get creative with how you organize and manage your information. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.